Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Idania from Cook Plant and Decor. If you are here today, it's because you, like me, like be decorating your home and looking for new ideas. We know the kitchen is the heart of our home, but the dining room is the space where we have fun, gathering together with family and friends. So many memories are made here during family dinners. Thank you for joining me in my home decoration series. Let's start our dining room decoration from Cook Plant and Decor. Stay tuned. When we bought our house, the dining room area looked like this. It was open into this small space on the entry area. So the first thing we did was to separate the dining room from that space where we create an office. And of course, our dining room also was in a well-defined space. So when I was choosing the furniture for this room, I knew that the room wasn't a small size space, but I need to sit at least 6 to 8 people. That was when I decided to go for this lovely set of 6 to 8 chairs dining room set from Pine Island Collection by Hillsdale. And it's from Amazon, guys. Yeah. I was kind of scared to buy furniture online, but I took the risk to buy my furniture from Amazon. And this one did not disappoint me. It's a beautiful set from this collection with the all white finish with a look that I fall in love. If you are interested in buying a dining room set like this one, I will leave the link below, and also I will be leaving the link for all the decorations and items that I use in this video for easy access to you guys. My color inspiration came from these curtains. The green olive color, cream white, gray, and the warm yellow, they are the perfect combination of colors to welcome the pre-fall season. And if I like the table, I love the chairs. Actually, they're the one who captured my attention when I was looking for furniture. I love that countryside elegance look that they have. They look beautiful around my dining room table. And also they are constructed like the table too, of solid pine wood. Now, if you have a space in your dining room, a buffet table is a good idea. Just look for the size that is according for the space that you have. In my case, I look for a small buffet table because I need the space when I move the chair and it feels comfortable too. Color is a very important detail when you are decorating your room, any room. So make sure when you are placing a paint in your walls that they have a combination with your furnitures. In this case, I'm using a mirror that have the all white color or creamy color that match my furniture. And remember, it's one of my color inspiration from my curtains. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be alright. I am adding these 3 beautiful small jars also from Carolan's, and my candle holders from Hobby Lobby. My candles are from Amazon and they are in creamy white, also matching my decorations and furnitures. And like always, I try to buy something that makes sense. So this is my warm macrame table runner farmhouse style. It's 100% natural cotton made and burlap. It's thick, durable, soft, skin friendly, eco-friendly too. And you can use it on your bed, on your kitchen, and here I'm using it for my dining table. It's gonna be alright. Today I'm using this small wood tray that I got on my kitchen, but I'm planning to buy a new one, a little larger. And of course I'm going to use my flower base, cream color from Hobby Lobby. I have it now from about 2 years in my house and it still is one of my favorite pieces. I love it. I love those flowers. I have designed the same color, like all white. It's beautiful. My flowers arrangements, the cotton stems are from Amazon and the white clematis are from Target. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be alright. I feel it in my heart. It's gonna, yeah. You're gonna find your way. It's gonna, right. It's very hard. I didn't get any new table mat. I used the one I have on hands. They are beautiful, they are still in good condition, so why to spend more money, eh? Guys, if you hear any weird sound in the background, it's the storm going out outside. Let me show you. Okay guys, I want to share with you when I received my plates, my napkins, my silvers, and my napkins rings. They are a beautiful set. Don't worry, I'm going to leave the link below. All from Amazon, guys. Easy to buy, but they are amazing quality and so beautiful. You will see how they look in my dining room. It's gonna be alright. The candles are from Walmart. This one is a sea mineral. And this one is a sheer jasmine. Both have a beautiful smell, make your home feel like that. Homey and very cozy. And of course, my plants, they're only gonna be part of my decorations. They give you that peaceful ambience that I really enjoy.
It's gonna be alright. How can you tell? I feel it in my heart. It's gonna be okay. The sun is shining bright to another day. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. Well, if at first you don't succeed, you better try again. Clenched fist can't plant the seed. Open up your hands, gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be alright. I feel it in my heart. It's gonna, you're gonna find your way. It's gonna, alright. It's very hard to let things go. It's hard to carry on. But if you won't try, you won't know what next is gonna come. You've got to just carry on. Let it go. Have to let it go.
I know, guys, I didn't talk about the clock on my wall on this side. Please watch the short video that is in my website because this video is already too long. I hope that you are enjoying this video decorating with cooked plants and decor.
Gonna be alright. I feel it in my heart. You've got to just let it go.
And that's it, guys. We get to the end of today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And thank you for staying with me to the end. And if you are just passing by today, you, like always, you have my friendly invitation to subscribe to my channel. This channel is all about decorating, cooking, and gardening. So we're gonna have some fun together. So I'm just gonna say bye-bye for today because fall season is here. So see you soon. And remember, cook, plant, and decor, and be happy. Bye-bye.